Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you 4 different sites where you can get free Sepolia ETH. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, make use of the comment section, ask me any question, I will answer you once I see it. So guys, please give this video a like. It's very painful after making videos like this. You see a lot of people viewing it and nobody is liking, not because they don't like the content, but because I don't just know why. To click the like button is very difficult, so please help me click the like button and share this video with your friends. So the first 2 sites I'm going to be showing you, you don't have to pay anything to get it, but you need to have a certain amount of Ethereum in your wallet to be able to receive the faucet. Is free. The Ethereum you're going to be having in your wallet, you are not spending it, you are not touching it. It's just to make them understand that you are a real human. At least your wallet is has value. Do you get? That's just the essence of you having it. For this particular site, the first site is faucet.quicknode.com. So for this site, you need to have a minimum of 0.001 ETH, that's mainnet ETH, in your wallet for you to be able to claim. You don't have to spend it, you are not spending it, but once you have it, you'll be able. What you should do once you come to this site, I'll be leaving all the links in the description of this video. So once you come, connect your wallet, then select the Ethereum, then select Sepolia ETH. If you click there, you see other options, so select Sepolia as the one you want to. You see other options, so make sure you're on Sepolia, make sure you're on Ethereum, then paste your wallet, then click continue. That's all. Then you claim. Then the second site is this one here. This one is also free, faucets.alchemy.com. This one is also free, but you need to have a certain amount of Ethereum in your wallet. The last 2 ones I'm going to show you, don't need to have anything in your wallet. You're going to be claiming for free. So this faucets.alchemy.com, you need to have a minimum of 0.001 Ethereum in your wallet for you to be able to claim. As I said before, you are not spending any. That's why it's free. So if you have that, every 72 hours you'll be claiming 0.1 Sepolia ETH for free. Then the third one is this. Let me show you the third one, guys. The third one is this site, cloud.google.com. The links will be in the description. This particular site, you don't have to pay anything at all. You don't have to pay anything. So let it load up. As a matter of fact, the only thing you do is come here. Make sure you've logged in your Google account. So the only thing you do here, just paste your wallet and claim your faucet. So let me just paste my wallet here. So let me paste. Make sure you select Sepolia ETH. Make sure you select Sepolia ETH. Then come down here, paste your wallet. Paste your wallet. Then click on receive. So you are going to be receiving 0.03 Sepolia ETH. So that's all you need to be doing here. Then I will show you the last site. Let me see if this will go through. So it's going through. So you can be doing this every day, guys. You can be doing this every day. So it's confirming the transaction. So you can see Testnet token sent. Check your wallet address. So the next one, which is the last one, is this site here. This one is also free, faucet.trade. So this is also free. So you can get Sepolia ETH from here. So let it load up. I'll show you how you can get. So it's loading up. So you can even get Monad Testnet token here. So just if you want to get Sepolia ETH, just select this Sepolia ETH here. As you can see, it's currently on Monad Testnet. Just change it to Sepolia ETH. Once you change it to Sepolia ETH, then come down. come down, paste in your wallet address here. Paste in your wallet address here. It has ticked it. Then come here. Make sure you follow them. That's the step 2. Make sure you follow them. Then step 3, make sure you tweet. Just click on the tweet. Don't copy this. When you pasted your address, it generated this message. Just click on tweet and tweet that on your Twitter. Then after that, copy the link, paste here. Then click on this human capture. Then you receive your token. So that's the first site where you can get your Sepolia ETH. So in my next video, I'll be showing you sites where you can bridge your Sepolia ETH to maybe Monad Testnet. For those of you that are farming Monad, I don't want this video to be too long because a lot of you don't even watch the video halfway. So I don't want it to be too long. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.